Hello and welcome to Introducing Google Classroom. In this session, we'll explore the general features available on Google Classroom to help you manage your hybrid teaching course. We'll look at managing your students, useful settings, adding posts, organizing a classroom, and adding assignments. In Google Classroom, you can click on the plus on the top right side and click on Create Class as a teacher. You can give your class a name and further details if you wish, but it's quite easy to change these afterwards. This is your Google Classroom and you'll see 4 tabs at the top: Stream, Classwork, People and Marks. Now with your Google Classroom, it's a blank class at the moment, and if you want to add additional teachers, you click on the plus invite teachers there, and you'll need their hub usernames to invite your teachers. The same goes for your students. You click on invite students and you also need their hub usernames here. Another way to add students, go back to the beginning to Stream, and you can go right to the beginning and tell your students to click on Join Class. That means they will need a class code to join in. Now, if they have clicked on there, and if you show the class code for your class by clicking on Enlarge there, if they type this code in, that means they can join your class, and that makes it a bit easier. So people, adding teachers and adding students, or you can add your students by using the class code. Once you've created your Google Classroom, you can select to customize it. Select a different photo, select a different color scheme, or you can upload your own photo to the header at the top. On the stream, you can type in your announcements by just typing it in there. You can format that message as well. You can upload a file, show a video, link to a Google document, or add a link there. You can save that announcement as a draft or schedule or post it. Once you post it, everyone will see it. With your notifications, your announcements there on stream, you can select different options. This is where you can also change the name of your class and the details there. Go further down and on the stream, you can select students can post and comment, or teachers only can post and comment. And on any notifications, if you don't want too many notifications showing up, you can hide those. Moving on from the stream and the announcements there to classwork. This is where you set up your work for your class. You can start with topics, and some people quite like putting them by week or by unit as a title. You decide. Within those topics, you can move them about and you can change the titles as well, edit them. Within there, you want to add your materials. That is any teaching or learning documents that you have for that unit. You can put description down and you can format that description as well. Within here now, you can add in any sort of documents that you may have already. You can add in a YouTube video, a link, or create a new document. I'm going to go into my Google Drive here and upload a document. You can browse onto your computer there as well. So just select the documents that you want. And it'll appear there. You can select where that material goes in the Unit 1 for this instance, and you can select to save as draft. Pupils don't see that until it's been posted. You can edit it and you can schedule that to go out when you want. Again, pupils don't see that until it's been posted. So I'm going to add another document here. So those documents go with Unit 1, and I'm not going to schedule that. I'm going to post that now. I'm okay for that to go out. The pupils now see it and it's changed colour. You can see there the description and the documents to go with the work there as well. So different views there, and they can add a comment on the work if they want. Go back to the class, and it's a drop down there. On there you can see the material, the icon, but you can also in the future reuse any post, which is really useful. On the classwork there, we've put in materials, and you can see the icon matches the material there. We'll move on now to assignments. Give it a title and then the instructions to go with it. You can also format that information there. You can attach any documents that you may have. I'll attach one document to go with that. And just leave that as students can view that file, so it's only read only. What I'm going to do here as well, for them to create a Google Docs, I'm just going to give them a blank Google Docs. So the document there is ready for them to be working on assignment 1. Just give that a name, and that will spare the pupils having to upload different types of files for their assignment. Just make sure there that you do select the correct option for that document you want them to be working on. So that document, I want to make sure that you make a copy for each student. If you select the other one, it's view only, or they all work on the same document. So make a copy for each student. So I've given it a topic, I've scheduled the date, and click on the close submission after due date. I've changed the points. You can select the students and you can schedule that assignment. As you can see, that's in grey, so it's not visible to pupils yet. So you can edit that, and when you're happy with all the settings, you can assign that assignment. And that changes colour there. So you can see there some more information. You can put class comments, or pupils can put comments in, and you can actually go and see the pupils' submission there as well. And all the work is saved automatically in Google Classroom, which is really useful. So that's a good place to be marking their work. And you can easily see there who's handed in their work and who hasn't. The reuse post is really useful for reusing that assignment in the future at any time as well. Thank you for joining us on our Introducing Google Classroom. If you require further information or support on using Google Classroom or any other aspect of hybrid teaching, please visit our professional learning page on our website. You'll find the link and the QR code for quick access. Thank you a diolch yn fawr.